Welcome. See this sum, see the transportation problem. We have to find the optimal basic solution. Even knowing that these are the destinations, these are the origins, these are the costs per unit, and these are the available things, these are required things. These things you are knowing. So first we have to find a feasible basic solution. For that, we can adopt any of the method we have learned earlier. So today what I will show, we will apply column minima method. For applying column minima method, what we will do, see the method, first find the least element in this column. This is 1, so apply maximum. Here available is 1 and requirement is 6. So we can apply smaller of the two. So here we will apply 1. Now this 1 is vanished and this 7 becomes 6 and this row no more requirement is there. Now come to this column. This column minimum is now 3 because this is not there. Out of these two minimum is 3. Here is 6, here is 5. Smaller is 5, so we have to apply 5 here. If we are applying 5, so this one is going, and here that it remains as 1. Now what is there? We will come to this one. This one minimum is 11 and here available is 1, requirement is 3. 1 is less, so we have to apply 1. So now this one is also done and so this row is also finished. And here you have supplied 1, so it remains 2. In this column, now 9 is there and 2 and 10 you have to apply 2. So this one is finished. Now 8 is there. You have to apply 2 here. Nowhere else is there. So you have to apply 2 here and here 6 is there. So you have to apply 6. In this way, see the number of allotments 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here 4 plus 3, 7 minus 1, 6. Hence it's a basic feasible solution. We got one basic feasible solution. Move slowly, try to learn. It is not, it will take time. Now we have to check whether the optimality, whether it is an optimal solution or not. For that, first what we are doing, see here, that is for allotted things, Cj equals to ui plus vj. For any two number u and v, such that Cj equals to ui plus vj. Now here, for that we will adopt a technique. Listen carefully. See in which row or which column maximum allotment is there. Maximum allotment is there in this row. So there are 3 allotments. Consider it randomly. You have to consider this one as 0. Now we have to find 0 plus some number ui plus vj. Ui is 0 plus vj, somewhere it becomes 9. So we will take 9, 0 plus 9 is 9. Now here 0, 15 is here. Remember, don't see this value, allotted value, that Cj 15. So it will be 15. Then 5 is here. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now we can go to here 15 is there. Here 11 is there. So 15 minus 4 equals to 11. See here, 15 minus 4 equals to 11. Now here minus 4 is there and here 3 is there. So what it will be? 7. So 7 minus 4 equals to 3. So you have allotted UI. Now here it is still left. It is 1. Here it is 5. So minus 4. See, 5 minus 4 equals to 1. So you got UI and Vj for all the things. Now listen carefully, take time, don't be hurry. For unallotted places, what we have to do? We have to find Ui plus Bj. For this one, 9 minus 4, that is 5. Write it in a circle. Then for this one, minus 4, 9 minus 4, this is also 5. Then comes to this one, 15 minus 4 is 11. Here it is there, 7 plus 0 is 7. Here 7 minus 4 is 3. Now here is left 5 minus 4. This is 1. See carefully, and now we will fill up the unallotted cells. See here how to do. We will do Cj minus Ui plus Vj for unallotted cells. That is here 2 minus 1. It will become 1. Here it is 7 minus 5, 2. Here it is 0 minus 3. So it will be minus 3. 6 minus 11. It will be minus 5. Then 1 minus 5. It is minus 4. Here it is 8 minus 7. This is 1. This we have done for unallotted places. Now see carefully. Here we got 3 negative numbers. If you are getting all positive numbers, not a single negative, then only we can consider that is the optimal solution. Since negatives are there, this is not the solution what we have done. This is not the optimal solution. The better you can check it, though it is not, you tend to know that this solution is not the optimal solution. Hence what I am showing, it is not required, but still I will suggest do it. Check the cost here. 3 into 5, 15 plus 11 into 1, 15 and 11, 26. 1 into 1, 27, and this is there. 5 into 6, 30, 27 and 30 is 57. Then 15 into 2, 30. 57 and 30 is 7, 87. 87, 9 into 2, 80. 105. So total cost equals to cost for first case we got equals to 105. It is not required, but do it. Now what we have to do, since this is not the optimal cost, so we have to do it again. Again start from beginning. How to start it? See which is the least negative. Least negative means numerically least but negative. Out of these 3 negatives, which one is numerically least, whose modulus value is least? That is minus 3. Don't consider minus 3 and minus 5. Minus 5 is less. We are taking numerical value. Numerically 3 is less. So here we will first allot maximum possible. That is here. Here see, it is 1 and 5. So we will allot 1. As we are allotting 1, hence here in this, here you have earlier allotted 1, we cannot allot that one because this one, now this one is filled and this row is also finished. Now, but here it was 5. So, since here 1 is there, 5 is here. Now, instead of 5 here, we have to allot 4. Such that 4 and 1 it is becoming 5. 4 and 1 it is becoming 5. Since 4 you are allotting, it becomes 2. Now, in this we can check it. Here it was 6, we have allotted 4. And here it was 1 was there. To make it correct, now we will allot 2. 4 and 2 6, 4 and 1 5. Here 1 was there, we cannot allot. So we can allot here 7. 7, this is so, this is also over, this 7 is over. 4 and 1 5, this is also over, this is also over. 2. And so here 15 was there, here we will allot 1. So 2 and 1, now 3 is there. This is also over. Here it is 2 was here, we can keep it 2. The same allotment. So this 2 is a, this is also over. So in this way, now we got a new basic feasible solution. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cells are allotted. So it is a basic feasible solution. Always after doing you can check it. 4 plus 2 6, 1 is 1, 7 plus 1 plus 2 is 10. In this direction 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 1 5, 7. Spend some time, try to check it correctly. Now once again, so this is we got another basic feasible solution, but what we have to do, we have to check, find the optimality. For again we will find that there are 3 here, so we will take here 0. Now see 0 9, 0 plus 9 plus 0 is 0. For here 15 is there, 0 plus 15 is 15. Here 5 is there, 0 plus 5 is 5. Now we will check only the allotted cells. Here 15 is there and we have to make it 2. So 15 minus 13 is 2. Sorry. We have to make it, sorry here, 15 we have to make it 11. 15 minus 4 is 11. Now this one, which one is there? Here it is 1 and minus 4 is here. This one is done. This one minus 4, here is 3. So 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. So this is complete. Here it is left. Here is 1 is there. A 0 is there. So it will be minus 7. 7 minus 7 will be 0. So in this way we can complete it. So this is UI and Vj are completed. Now once again for unallotted cells, see carefully, for unallotted cells you have to write UI plus Vj. For here this is 9 minus 7, that is 2. Put it in a circle such that no mistake is there. 9 minus 7 is 2. Then here 9 minus 4, this will be 3. Now this is allotted, this one. This is 15 minus 7, this is 8. This is also done here. 7 my plus 0 is 7. This is done. Then here 5 minus 7 will be minus 2. And here 5 minus 4. This will be 1. So in this way, we have all the cell circle which was allotted, it is written in square, and which was unallotted, there we write in circles. Again we have to find the new solution. Let us check what it is coming. We have to check it always. For every step we have to do it. So see here, for here it is 2 minus 1. So it is 1. Now it is unallotted, it is 7 minus 3. It is 4. Here it is 1 minus minus 2. 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. Then it is 0 minus 1. It becomes minus 1. 6 minus 8. It becomes minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Okay. 1 so here it is 8 minus 7 is 1. We have written one extra. This one was allotted. This one, no, here it is. So here we cannot write this one. Here it was allotted. Here it is 1 minus minus 2. 3 is okay. 1 minus minus, but this one we cannot write because it is allotted. Okay, so these are the values we got. Again we are getting two negative values, hence it is also not the optimal solution. But again I will suggest you to calculate cost. Again I am repeating, it is not required, but better do it. Calculation is 4 into 3, 12, plus 2 into 11, 22, and 12, 34. Then 1 into 0 not required, 34 plus 35. It is 69. 69 plus 50. 69 plus 15 is 84. 84 plus 18 is 102. Cost is 102. Check it. Always check it. Previously it was 105. It is 102. Cost is reduced. If it is not reducing, that means you are committing mistake. So now, anyway, though cost is reduced, but it is not the optimal solution, we have to do again. And for that, we will find this is the least negative. So here we have to apply maximum. So here, in this case, here what we can apply maximum between 1 and 2, it will be 1. 1 is less, so we have to apply 1. So here, what was applied here, we cannot apply here. So here previously 1 was allotted, now we cannot allot. Now this row, this 1 is finished, and this row is also finished, and here 2 becomes 1. Now here it was seen this, here 2 was allotted here. So but 1 is left. So instead of 2, we will make it 1. We will allot 1 here. Now in this you can see 2, 1, 7, 7 was there. So we can make it this one as 2. This one in 15 we can allot here 2 to make the 1, 2 and here it was 7. We can keep it as it is. So now see, this 7 is okay. Here what was the allotted thing? Here 4 was allotted here. So here we can allot 4 was allotted here. And here 2 was allotted, but we cannot allot 2 now. We can allot only 1, such that because 3, 2 is gone, only 1 is there. So we can allot 1 only. So 1 and 2, 3. Now here 1 and 1, 2. Here we can say 7 and 2, 1, 9 and 1, 10. Here 1, here 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 still is left. 1 we have to. So we have to make some changes. Otherwise, here it is. If we are making it 5, then only it remains correct. 5 is there, 1 and 2, 3 is there, 1 and 1, 2 is there, here 7 is there. Again 7 to 9 and 1, 10, 1, 5 and 1, 6. So this will be the allotment. Again 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since it is 6, it is once again it's a basic feasible solution. So for after this, we are not knowing whether this basic feasible solution again it is an optimal solution or not. Again we have to follow the same method. Here 3 allotment is there, so we will take 0. Now here is 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. Now here is 0, 15. 0 plus 15 is 15. We are doing only for allotted cells. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now for this one, 9 is there. Here 1 is there. 9 minus 8 is 1. And then 15. And here it is 11 is there. 15 minus 4 is 11. Now here it is left. Minus 4, here it is 5 is there. So 9 minus 4 is 5. Sorry, it is 3 is there. This is 3 is there. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So in this way we have allotted ui and bj for all these things. Again we will find ui plus bj for unallotted cells. For this one, 9 minus 4, this is 5. See carefully what I am doing. Here it is 15 minus 8, it will be 7. This is done. Then here 7 minus 0, it will be 7. Then 7 minus 8, it will be minus 1. And here it is 5 minus 8, it will be minus 3. And here it is 5 minus 4, it is 1. So in this way, we have allotted values for all the unallotted cells. Now we have to find, that is Cj minus ui plus bj for all unallotted cells. 2 minus 1, it is 1. 1 minus minus 3, so it is 4. This is 8 minus 7, this is 1. 0 minus minus 1, so it is 1. 3 minus 5, no, it is not required. For this one, 6 minus 7, this is minus 1. Here it is 7 minus 5, it is 2. So in this way we have allotted all, but again one negative is coming, hence we can say this is not also the ultimate solution, or it is not an optimal solution. Again we can calculate it, this one's cost in this case. Again I am repeating, this calculation of cost is not essential, but it is essential for learning. See here, we can 3 into 5, 15 plus 11 into 1, 11, 15 plus 11 is 26. Here 1, 27, 5, 7 are 35 and 27. 35, 55, 62. 62 and 30. 62 and 30, 92 and 901. See here, once again, cost is reduced. 105 was there, 102 is there, now it is 101. Cost is reducing. If it is not reducing, you have to think you have made some mistake. So now we will come to this one, and this is the only negative cell. So we have to apply first maximum possible. So in this one is 1 and 3, we can apply 1. And what else was there? Here was 1. So we can keep this one also 1. And this way we can fill up this. Now as we have put 1, so we cannot put any other values here. So this is over. This one is finished. 1, 1, 3. This is also finished. Here you have allotted 1. So still 5 is required. And what was the allotment? 4 and 2 was there. So here we can allot. If we are allotting 5 here, then 5 and 1, 6. 5 it is matching. Now here it was, what was there? Here it was 7. If we are applying, keeping this 7, okay, this is okay, then this is also okay, 3, this is also okay. This cell, it was 2 was allotted here, we can allot 2 here. We can check it, that is, this 2 is okay, 1, 1, 1, 3 is okay, 5 is okay, 7 is okay. In this side, 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 is 1, 7, 8 and 2, 10. This is okay. So, again we have to make this for Ui plus Vj, we have to do it again. So for this one, again this is the maximum number of allotted cells are here. So we are putting this one 0, and it is for 9, 0 plus 9, 0 plus 15 is 15, 0 plus 5 is 5. Again come here, 15 to make it 6, 15 minus 9 is 6, and 15, oh, this is not 15 minus 4 is 11, and this one is, so minus 4 we have to make it 3, so it is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. So we have allotted for all allotted cells, we got all Ui and Vj. Now we will calculate one by one for unallotted cells. 9 minus 4, 5. Then 9 minus 9, it is 1. Then 7 minus 5, it is 2. 1 minus minus 4, it is 5. 0 minus minus 2 is 2. 1 minus 0, it is 1. No, it's okay. 1 minus 0, it is 1. Then 8 minus 7, it is 1. Now everything is okay, no mistake is there. So we got all positive values, hence this is our optimal solution, and we can find the cost once again. This is the final cost because this is the optimal solution, and we have to calculate here. 3 into 5, 15 plus 11, 26, 26 plus 6, 32 plus 35. 32 plus 35 is 67, and 15, 82. 82 plus 18. 82 plus 18 is 100. So final is 100. And all this is correct. There is nothing wrong in it. This 0 is correct. No mistake is there. Everything is correct. So now this is the final solution, and this is the optimal cost. That is the least cost. And this is our final solution. I think I can able to explain.